I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to sign up on Yahoo. For that you'll need to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser you want. For now I'm going to open Chrome. After you open up your web browser, search yahoo.com on your search bar. This way you'll directly land on Yahoo's website. Then tap on the profile icon, which is on the top right of your screen. On top, you'll see the option of sign in. Tap on it. After you tap on sign in, you'll land on a new page. Then tap on create an account. After that, you'll need to enter your first name, your last name, create an email address, create a password, enter your mobile number, select your birth month, birthday, birth year, and at last, enter your gender. After that, if you agree to Yahoo's terms and privacy policy, tap on continue. Now, tap on the small square box which is in front of I am not a robot and solve puzzles to verify you're a human. Then tap on continue. After that, tap on text me a verification code, and then Yahoo will now send your verification code on your phone number. Enter the verification code, and after you're done, tap on verify. This way you can create your Yahoo account. Now you can easily send emails to friends, families, co-workers and others. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.